I just asked you now, you're like, what? What? I can't hear.
I really can't. I'm fucking deaf. You know this.
Oh, I do?
Yeah, he's a little sick. I'm a little deaf, but that fucking, when she runs it, it's all right. It's fine.
There we go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, she's the mover. She's the mover, bro.
Oh, no!
Fucking.
Oh!
Go, babe! Go! There you go, Phil. Just send the damn thing. No. Fuck.
Oh no! Whoa! Come on, Krista!
She's trying to get it? Oh, she's trying to get it here. Hey, that chain's still on there too. Oh, is it done?
Yeah, baby.
2 wheel shots and 1 shot. That's fucking great.
So great. Yeah, I think
Oh man.
It's done. Maybe not. It's alright.
BJ, you can go in with me. You got Josh. You can go in with me.
Oh, man.
I guarantee it'll still run. He got a fucking number on that fucker.
he probably didn't know it was her.
Oh, dude, he was just fucking flying.
Hey, that's front ended.
Hey, and the bad thing is, he got it with that bumper. When he hit it with the bumper, I knew it was gone. It was still running till the other guy came.
Yeah.
When the other guy came to hit it, it went.
Oh hey, you got something to play with a dead man now.
Maybe.
Shit.
I gotta use the other hand.
Wait, what place is he
Hey, I'm gonna walk around and see damage.
You care if I join you?